Pickling as a way of preserving food is as old as cultivation of food. According to the New York Food Museum's Pickle History Timeline, cucumbers native to India were first pickled by Mesopotamians as far back as 2400 BC. Achari Murg or Achari Gosht is a spicy dish which sports the tangy flavor and aroma of pickle known as achar in India with the rich flavor of meat. To prepare Achari Murg, first we need to marinate the chicken pieces for around 2 hours. The most important part of this dish is to prepare the achari masala or the spice mix. We will dry roast the spices and then grind it into a fine powder. Next, we'll start the cooking process. Mustard oil is a must for Achari Murg. Once the oil is hot, we'll temper it with the spices. Once the onions become soft, we'll add our ginger garlic paste. Next, we'll add our spices. We have ground the achari masalas into a fine powder. Once the oil starts separating and the masalas are cooked, we'll add our chicken to it. We had added salt while sauteing the onions. Now we'll add some more to the chicken. We'll cover and cook the chicken and check it at regular intervals. Now we will add some slit green chillies for added flavor. Now to get the tangy taste of Achari chicken, we'll add some dried mango powder known as amchur in India. To achieve the desired consistency of the gravy, we'll add some warm water. Our Achari chicken is ready to serve. It tastes best with naan, roti, paratha or rice. Do make it for your friends and family and subscribe our channel for new videos every Wednesday.